And now, my pleasure to introduce you one very key important member of our team, Nicolas, General Manager of EMS. Thank you.
Thank you, Christina. Hello, everyone, and I hope you're enjoying your day today. My name is Nicolas, and I am the General Manager of the EMS Division at First Season Technology. And it's my honor to welcome you in this milestone event, a quarter century of innovation, perseverance, and collaboration, driven by purpose and powered by people. So first, probably you might be asking, what's EMS? EMS stands for Electronics Manufacturing Services. In layman's term, we are your strategic partner in electronics manufacturing, producing your product to be your trusted and reliable contract manufacturer. We provide a complete solution from design offerings up to the aftermarket support. Like from design, we provide PCB and electronic circuit design. We help you on your new product introduction, wherein we provide rapid prototyping, we give you part sourcing, and we also help you out in your DFM or the design for manufacturing. This way, once you release your product to the market, we help you out in the PCBA or the printed circuit board assembly. We have a capability to handle both high volume, mid volume, or prototyping. Without compromising quality, we have enabled ourselves to empower both in flexibility and in scale. Once the PCBA has been produced, we can also give you the box build assembly, wherein we do the system test, functional test, in order to convert it to a finished good. But we didn't stop there. We can now give you 3PL service. 3PL is the ship, pack, the pick, pack, and ship process. We can ship anywhere in the world your finished good to your end customer, if you like us to do that. And last is aftermarket support, wherein we have the capability to support you in product repairs, in EOL services, and also product warranty exchanges. Now, you might be asking yourself, how come we have this type of manufacturing facility in Canada? Unfortunately, in the last few decades, Canada is losing its ground in competitiveness when it comes to manufacturing compared to the low-cost region, as compared to the G7 countries. So I'd like to tell you 5 main reasons why Four Seasons decided to establish their manufacturing operations here in Canada. Number 1 is value over volume. We always focus in delivering smarter, high-quality manufacturing, not just cheap labor. Next is proximity matters. We reduce lead time, we reduce the logistical cost to our clients, not only in terms of production and logistics, but also in terms of product development. Because your engineers can go and collaborate with us locally in our facility in order to have a time to market. You will reduce your product development and you can release your product in the market earlier. Third, which is very important, is what we call the control. This one, maintaining full control over quality, IP protection is very key, and also the production, because we are doing it locally here. Customer service is the fourth one, wherein with faster response and flexibility, we partner closely with our clients. And last is strategic responsibility. We believe in Canadian economy, and we believe in Canadian growth when it comes to the employment. So we support the Canadian economy in a way. So With all of this in hand, with various challenges in the last 2 decades, how did Four Seasons thrive for 25 years? And I'd like to show to you 3 key points, which I believe are competitive advantage in achieving such sustainable growth. First is at the heart of each of our work is it's a deep-rooted customer-centric culture, committed to understanding the voice of the customer, serving them well in terms of their needs, how to make it faster, and how to make it smarter compared to others. As you know, Vancouver, being the Silicon Valley of the North, is a hub for startup in the tech industry. And just to let you know, EMS has been work for more than 150 customers since its inception. And we are proud to say that we work with Fortinet in the year 2000s before the production was transferred somewhere else. On the left side of the pie chart, you will find our customers in terms of industry. And you will see the depth and breadth of how we provide the service in terms of flexibility and the quality standards. You see here we have customers in the communications industry, we have in the marine, industrial, medical, automotive. And bear in mind, all of these have different product specifications and quality standards that we need to comply. On the right side, you will find it here, our allocation. So you now see that we provide high volume operations around 60%. When I say high volume, that's around 1,000 PCBAs that we build on one run. There is 20% for mid-volume and prototyping to support your business for any new product, around 20%. Second, we developed our efficient manufacturing process, and we have a highly effective team. Aside strengthening our quality and compliance, we scaled smartly, investing in a 50,000 square feet world-class facility in Richmond, equipped with 4 SMT lines, which are around 350,000 component placement per hour, a 3D AOI, selective soldering, through-hole conformal coating, which provides you better support. We are actually an early adopters of smart manufacturing, wherein we develop our own manufacturing execution system that tells your product via online that you can look anywhere in the world where's the status in terms of production, in terms of quality, and in terms of shipment. We also have highly skilled and dedicated workforce wherein they have been working from 5, 10, 15, or even 20 to 25 years. And we treat ourselves as part of the family. You will seldom find this type of electronic manufacturing service here in Lower Mainland. And we are proud to have that capabilities to support your business. This afternoon, you will have the opportunity to go to our facility and see our manufacturing operations. And I'm confident that after that tour, you will feel assured that once you transfer your products to Four Seasons, you are in good hands. And third, and the last, is we strengthened our value proposition to our customers. We are not just building PCBA, but we expanded our services. Was what I mentioned to you before, NPI, rapid prototyping, design for manufacturing collaboration, and extra extended value-added services. So, as what I mentioned to you before, we provide a complete solution so that you can focus on sales, on marketing, on product development, and you let us handle the manufacturing operations. So with that, what's in the future? Well, first, we would like to pursue ISO 13485 for the medical industry and the IATF 16949 for the automotive industry in the future. Right now, we are ISO 9001 and 14001 certified. And with this, we showed to you our commitment when it comes to quality. We will continue to invest when it comes to automation, and robotics. Later on, my colleague, during the line tour, will explain to you our program when it comes to artificial intelligence and machine learning integration as part of the manufacturing or Industry 4.0. We also establish the training and configuration setup in order to, with Fortinet and Four Seasons, to upskill the talent and support when it comes to product customization. And last is we have now what we call the battery assembly and testing production line. So if you have something we did with the battery, then we will be able to help you out. So 25 years is not just our foundation. While others chased lower cost, we chased higher value. While others focused on transactions, we focused on long-term partnerships. We just don't manufacture, we empower innovation. Thank you so much and appreciate for your time. I'd like to introduce to you our next speaker, Ms. Alice Yu from the EVSE.